When an Xfinity router blinks yellow, it is typically indicating that it is connecting to the internet or updating its firmware. And this usually lasts for a few minutes. If the blinking persists for longer than a few minutes, it may be a sign of a problem with receiving the downstream signal, which is causing the yellow blinking. Another possible reason for this issue is a damaged coax cable, as damage to the cable can affect the router's ability to receive downstream signals. To fix this, start by switching off the router and unplugging the coaxial cables to examine them for damage. If they are damaged, replace them. Otherwise, reconnect them, ensuring they are firmly plugged in. Once this is done, switch on the router and check the status lights. If the yellow blinking continues, the splitter may be damaged or overloaded, which can result in a loss of signal. To check for splitter overload, disconnect all devices from the splitter and measure its signal strength and quality using a cable tester. Then, reconnect each device one by one, measuring the signal strength and stopping when it becomes too weak. If the splitter is found to be damaged, it should be replaced.